Have you ever thought that you just... Wait, let me redo that. Have you ever thought that you wanted to play Animal Company, but you want to make it really, really bad? Like incredibly bad that you shouldn't even be playing it? You feel like it would be a crime to play it? No, not really. But too bad. Today, I'm gonna be playing Animal Company, but it's a very bad knockoff. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? So, yeah. Enjoy the video, little one. Yo, what is this game?
Get over here!
This game sucks! You heard me, boy. This game sucks, my boy. Bro, this guy's just...
This game sucks!
You missed every shot!
Are you from Estonia Global?
Barstonia Global.
Hey! It's a school, dude. What are you from? 18
I'm not from any school, bro. I'm from my mom.
Guys, what is this game?
I know, bro. Why are these 4-year-olds playing this?
Nah, dude. You know what you're game, bro? This game got one anymore. It says, I don't want you to do this anymore. I just wanna.
What? I don't wanna do this anymore. I just wanna. Okay. Oh, bro, no, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy, bro. I promise I'm not that guy.
You sound like it though.
You have it all mixed up. I'm totally not that guy. Ow, you just shot me. What the heck? What the duck? What the absolute duck? You're gonna make me... or whatever you said. You're such a snake, bro. What did I do to you? I love you. I love you, in fact.
What is this game?
I love you, bro.
You gay or what?
Bro, I love you! I love you! Thank you for this thingy that I have. Bro, I said I love you! I love you! I love this game. I love everybody here, I swear. I love this.
Bro, you love everybody here? I
Yes,
bet
bro.
I'm about to be your girlfriend, bro. Watch this.
Yes, bro! Come here, kiss me. What?!
No, not yet. No, he's dead.
Stop that!
I am a girl, guys. I'm about to be your girlfriend, but watch this. Bro, what? Who put that? Yeah, who's gay here? Do not ever. You will die. You will die, Candy. Why? How do you buy stuff? Come here. I will turn you into a Demogorgon. Come here. I'll come you back. Rest. How do you buy a gun? I don't have a gun. I don't know. I just got you like 1 second ago. You will rest in peace. I'm going to
Yo, rest in my cheeks. Yo, rest in cheeks for you, buddy.
No one's willing to play with me. No, I didn't say it right. Not rest in peace. Rest in peace. Hello.
Bro, shoot me with your shotgun. I dare you.
Okay.
No, you gotta kiss me. You missed me. No, you gotta kiss me.
I ain't kissing you.
Well, you think you have to. That's the rules.
I want to kiss an ugly ass ogre.
In this game.
Hello, guys.
Yo, somebody
This
just
game
died.
didn't give me a tutorial on how you play. No, he told me that one more ago.
Yo, this guy, you can't catch up to me, nig.
Can
Can't catch up to
someone
me,
tell me
bro.
how you play?
You can't catch up to me, Nick.
A tutorial.
Nick, little Nick, you can't catch up to me.
No.
You can't catch up to me. Nick. Nick. You can't even see me up here, little Nig. How could you do such a thing? I love you, Nick. Nick! Nick!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Oh my gosh. Is this the whole game? Is this actually the whole game? No, there's more. I don't want that stink. Oh. So this is basically... Look at my hands, bro. Ah!
Oh, come on, Terry, lighten up. What are you screaming at?
Ooga booga. I think I missed.
Raise your hand if you came from
Hey,
North
hey, don't slice me and dice me. I love you.
I raised my hand. I am a monkey.
Stop it! I've been sliced way too many times. Wow. I'm like Superman. I can't die.
You kill monsters to get those 3 crystals.
So does Animal Company.
He's that.
Get juked. Get juked, boy.
I take so.
Get
There's
juked.
everyone.
Get juked.
Bro, where's monsters? Where's monsters? Yeah, what's wrong with him? Bro, you have a lightsaber, bro? That's shit.
Guy, you can't even catch up to me, little boy. I have to run. I have no weapons. Hey, what's this?
Put it in your backpack.
I got a machete. Now I can slice and dice and rice and slice and number nice. Your days are gonna be numbered, you scallywag. Come here, you swashbuckler. Come here.
Shotguns in here.
Oh,
Make this back.
thank you, bro. I love you so much. I love you.
Bro. I'm a chill dude. I'm a chill
You're a
dude,
chill
bro.
guy, bro. You really are a chill guy. Wait, does he go over here?
Oh, a chill guy. Bro, is anyone here?
There's only one.
Is anyone
There's only
here
one.
a chill guy? It's
Thank you, chill guy. Shake my hand. Shake my hand. Shake my hand.
Come here. Kill good.
I'm slicing myself.
Where is the
I can slice. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I found monster. I found monster. Oh no. Bro, what's in here?
Hey, who are you? Hey, get out.
Mag 7, be careful. Mag 7, be careful.
Get out of here. Get out. This is my home. This is my block. 6'7". Come up here, man. Yeah, come here. Get out of here. Yeah, that's right. Go over there. Stay over there.
Yeah. Oh god. Please be nice. I'm going to help the infection spread even though I'm chill guy. You can.
Oh my god! Wow! I got teddy bear. I got teddy bear. I got bunny bear. I got teddy bunny.
What in this? You
got teddy bunny.
Teddy bears.
We got teddy bunny. No, I got teddy bunny.
I have one crystal. I have one crystal.
Yeah.
I just put a mouse in a computer.
I got the teddy bear. I missed the teddy bear. You will die.
Got you.
Oh. Hey, hey! Teddy bear, stop! Stop!
What?
Please don't kill me. Give me the teddy bears. Please don't kill me with the teddy bears.
Teddy bear!
Oh shoot.
Please.
Teddy
Get
bear!
off him, bro. Get off him. I said get off
No,
him.
you ain't
I'm
getting
chill guy, bro. Get
me.
off my boy. Like
I can't even kill you with
Like,
these
get
damn
off.
teddy bears.
Get off him.
What do you think this is, a
Good
damn sword?
boy. I got you, bro.
Thank you.
You can't put them
I'm
down
missing
my
him. I got you 3
I
minutes ago.
just put him on the highway. Oh, this teddy bear,
Yeah,
this
just put
this
it
bunny
down
bear is
the-
going bye-bye.
Was that the bite of 87?
Hold on.
Just open that.
Oh, I have to run. My teddy bears.
Come here.
My bunny bear
Nom, nom,
teddies.
nom.
There, man.
They're gonna get endangered.
Oh, another chest. There you go.
Hey guys, how do you sell stuff?
Hola.
I just put up two there.
Please be something good.
Hey! Hey! I got teddy bear! I got teddy bear! I got You missed! Now you got a case. Yeah, you still missed. There's so many.
You guys, let's go see the spider and the Johnny.
They can't even catch them. Look at those little shit.
Yeah, up here.
Yeah, come here. Spawn on top of it. I mean, they come down now. He's right
You
there.
can take Mr. Teddy Bear. Leave me alone! I got watermelon! Oh, he's gone.
Alright, guys, come on.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
Have to go. Have to go far away. Have to go far away. This animal company ripoff.
Demogorgon, take him down. Shoot.
Oh no! No! Oh, bro, you missed.
Hey, how about you get your Demogorgon looking ass up?
Oh,
and
even the monsters
start
miss you.
fighting someone?
Get him!
Get away, dude!
Yeah, bro, you missed me, bro. How do you miss me when I was literally right in front of your face?
What was that?
That's actually crazy to do such a thing.
You can do something.
You know what? Thank you, teddy bear. Oh yeah, you're having some fun now. Ah, teddy bears! Teddy bears! Teddy bears, stop!
You got one more.
Put the crystals.
Ow.
Where do we put the
Well, this game
crystals?
is really dumb. If you for some reason want to play this game,
Oh, yep.
it's called Troop VR.
Screening.
Please do not play this game. It really is bad. But I'll say to play it for the sake of the game.
I wanna do this. I wanna do this. Kill him.
What's that noise? Pew, pew, pew. Look at my little gravity hands, bro.
I can follow a sword.
Do not play this. Yeah. Bye-bye.